Welcome back to the regular YouTube channel. Again, we have another weather update. The the winter storm watch changing into the to a winter storm warning. Oh, well, Dad was asking when, and from 7 o'clock tomorrow night, but 1 o'clock at the end Tuesday, late Monday night. Uh, yeah. Again, winter storm warning, winter storm watch turned into a winter storm warning in effect from 7 o'clock tomorrow through 1 o'clock Tuesday. It said, what heavy snow expected, snow accumulating 8 to 10 inches through Monday morning, and then lake effect snow then develops by Monday afternoon, with snow accumulating 2 to 4 inches. Storm totals around a foot likely. Crawford County's where from 7 o'clock tomorrow through 1 o'clock Tuesday, that's when. And then additional travel could be very difficult. Hazardous conditions could the morning or evening commute, and then additional snow totals, additional details. That occur between 9 o'clock tomorrow night through 9 o'clock Monday morning. And lake effect snow develops by the afternoon, as well as the accumulations. And then also they're saying, if you're traveling, flashlight, food, any food or water, in your cars for emergencies. And let's take a look at the forecast. If I can find it. Here's the forecast. We're not going to get to tomorrow during the day. Here's the forecast for. I want to show it to the camera right now. Here's the forecast for tomorrow. But before I do, I need to brighten it down. Here we go. Here's the forecast. Here's the forecast for tomorrow night. It said cloudy with snow, low 22, east winds 10 to 20 miles per hour. Chance of snow 100%, and it said a foot or more snow expected. And here's the forecast for tomorrow, or I'm sorry, Monday. Monday. Um, snow in the morning. Yeah, snow in the morning to trendsetting to snow showers for the afternoon. Very cold, high 26. Winds northwest at 15 to 25 miles per hour. Chance of snow 90%, and snow accumulating 1 to 3 inches, and winds could occasionally gust over 40 miles per hour. Yep. That's why the reason I say very cold. On there too. And here's for tomorrow night. Snow showers early to becoming more scattered overnight. Again, very cold. Monday night. Monday night. I'll get to tonight in a minute. I'm coming. I'm coming. Low 18. Chance of snow 50%. And snow accumulations less than 1 inch. And winds 10 to 20 miles per hour. But tonight they're saying mostly clear. 7. Very cold. Low 7. And then for Wednesday, I did tomorrow. I did tomorrow night. It said a few flurries or snow showers tomorrow. Yeah. But tomorrow night is supposed to have the storm. Yeah, the storm won't start till tomorrow night. Not tonight or during the day tomorrow. And they also said Erie County's also under a winter storm warning. Yeah, it's also tomorrow. Yeah, it's also tomorrow. Yeah. Erie counties, even though western Pennsylvania is also in a winter storm warning. Let's see how. I'll find it first, and then I'll go.
On TV, he's got a lower half that's built like a running back. In fact, the coach of LSU said that had he wanted to play running back at LSU, he would have been the best running back. That says a lot based on his production was in the wide receiver position, but also shows the flexibility you would have with a guy like that on offense.
Yeah, they're so actually winter storm warnings in effect for Erie and Crawford counties at least till 1 o'clock tomorrow, or Tuesday, excuse me. Actually late Monday night, but the same thing. And then Greenville said winter storm warnings in effect till 1 o'clock Monday. Start from the 1 p.m. tomorrow. Let's see what the Pittsburgh has to say. I know all Pennsylvania's under a winter storm warning, but Pittsburgh's or any western Pennsylvania in a winter storm watch from 1 o'clock tomorrow afternoon through tomorrow or Monday, excuse me. So some of the winter storm warnings are going to be in effect through Monday afternoon. That includes like Pittsburgh and or I'm sorry, or Allegheny counties, Mercer counties, they're until 1 o'clock. But Crawford and and uh, Erie counties are until 1 o'clock Tuesday morning. We might have a potential thunder snow out there, at least in Erie. Yeah, thunder snow might be in order too. I think we'll see what Erie might have a thunder snow possible in Erie. We'll see what they say.
It's a really nice job by this front and good coverage by the Raiders. They shifted late, so they ended up getting 4 on 3 in the zone coverage to the right. Really took away on the routes. Nobody's open. Joe Burrow trying to buy a little bit extra time.
Supposed to clear at least in the daylight hours. Both Erie and Crawford counties. And then the storm won't start till evening. And here's the forecast for Erie for tonight, or I should say for tomorrow. Snow, winds overnight, low 28, 8 to 12 inches of snow, 3 to 5 inches there tomorrow, snow, and then it's going to change into to lake effect snow showers. It's windy with snow showers too. And so I'm supposed to have snow again until Wednesday with rain and snow showers. Some of the wind chills, the wind chills are above 0. Let's get to single digits and then now the weather change right now. They're saying snow accumulating 8 to 12 inches. Supposed to get 1 to 3 tomorrow or Monday, and then 1 inch of snow or less on tomorrow night. And then the Titusville Herald knows that there's going to be that winter storm watch is going to change into a winter storm warning.
Nico was born on February 22nd, 2020. The moment he was born, he became my sole focus. He is the reason that I'm still oscillating to this day. I wanted to prove to him, just because you have challenges,
Go to the moment here.
doesn't mean you have to stop going after your dreams.
Hi, I'm Ariana DeBose, and I'm hosting SNL with Bleachers.
Guys, I'm loving this Raiders Bengals game. Me too, I love basketball. How do you football?
We were just watching hockey.
Ariana, there's no ice, there's no ice. We ran out of ice like forever? No! After 5 seasons, 4 heavyweights, TV's #1 drama, returning for one final chapter. This is Us. New Tuesdays on NBC. Get the tickets ready. Great show. That's been a great look at the sun setting here in Cincinnati. It feels like the sun's rising on a new era of Bengals football to a lot of these fans. 38-year-old Zach Taylor in his 3rd year started out 0-11. Thanks for the 2019 NBA this spot. Return will kick off for Tyler Johnson.
I think the Herald will put it on there on Monday or Tuesday, something. They're saying they got at least the winter storm warning or watch was there, but the watch is going to turn into the warning. Alright, that's going to be it for this video. Again, there's a winter storm warning for Crawford and Erie until 1 o'clock Tuesday, and winter storm watches anywhere else is in effect until 1 o'clock Monday afternoon. So thanks for joining us here on the regular YouTube page of our weather updates here on YouTube. And we'll be on probably tomorrow, at least tomorrow night or Monday, and see the snow on the ground. Maybe I'll do a video tomorrow with the snow, with the heavier snow. I'll get one at least on the front door. Maybe we'll get one too on this window as well. So that's what we're going to do. So I'm going to get off, and thanks for joining us here on the regular channel, and maybe we'll be on probably tomorrow to see the snow, to see the heavier snow on the light. Talk to you later.